Okay, you guys, this series is going to be called Unbox Blind Boxes with me. So, I have 4 of these Bob's Burgers boxes to unbox. See, you see 4 of them. And this is each character I can get. Let me see. This is each character I want Tina so bad. Are you guys ready for the first one? And this is the front of the box. Look how cute. Okay, here goes nothing. Oh my gosh, I don't care about the box. You guys, oh my gosh. I got Tina. I got Tina. I got Tina. This is how she looks. Why is it coming out blurry? Hold on, guys. This is how she looks. Period. I got Tina. The second one. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh no, I was saying I'm wrong. I got Tina. Then I got Louise. So far we're doing good. We're doing good so far. This is going good. Here's the third one. Oh my gosh. Yes. I got the one that's always in the restaurant eating the burgers. Oh my gosh. Yes. I'm in love so far. I got 3 different ones. Please say the next one is the mom. I love the mom. We got Bob. We got Bob. We have Bob. Yes. Hold on, you guys. So you guys, these are all of the ones that I have. And I am so happy because all I need is the mom and the brother. Yes. I'm in love. Yes.
Yes, Louise,
Hi.
yes.
Did you know that it only takes 2 pounds of pressure to drive someone's nose bone into their brain?
That's... what?
2 pounds! That's it, Dad!
Why are you telling me this, Louise?
Revenge.